I replaced 80% of my agency's manual labor with AI employees. Here's exactly how. Right now, my agency is still running. My outreach is going out, content is being tracked, and my performance reports are being generated for me while I'm sitting here filming this video. No team, no outside agencies, no freelancers on a clock. 2 AI systems are handling my operations, and every Friday at 8 p.m., they both send me a full performance report. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what I built, how it works, and why this is what we install inside law firms and mid-market companies to cut production costs. Most law firms still think they have a marketing problem, but what they actually have is an infrastructure gap. Here's what I mean. Right now, most law firms and B2B corporations are operating in one of 2 ways. Model 1, they're still outsourcing everything from agencies to videographers, photographers, and freelancers. They're still paying 10 to 20K per month retainers. And every quarter, leadership still asks the same question. Where is the ROI? Model 2, they started experimenting with AI tools. They bought the subscriptions, maybe even ran a few automations or campaigns, but no one inside the firm was actually trained to operate the system. So the tools just sit there and nothing changes. Both models have the same problem. You don't own the infrastructure. You're just renting the output. And the second you stop paying, everything stops. So in 2026, the firms that are winning aren't outsourcing their marketing anymore. They're building internal AI marketing infrastructure. And I know this because I experienced this inside my own agency firsthand. Because I got tired of the manual outreach. I got tired of the tasks that could be systemized. So I built 2 internal AI systems in one weekend using raw code. System 1, my AI outreach agent. System number 2, my AI social media manager. Let me break down exactly what each one does. My outreach agent handles all of my cold outreach automatically. It identifies qualified prospects, it sends personalized outreach, and follows up. It also tracks open rates, response rates, and booked calls. And every single Friday at 8 p.m., it sends me a full performance report. I don't touch it. It runs 24/7 and it wakes up before I do. My social media manager agent handles all of my content operations. It tracks my performance across platforms. It aligns my content with my target audience and their pain points. It also prepares my content frameworks and emails them to me before I even wake up. And every Friday at 8 p.m., same time, it sends me its own performance report. 2 agents, 2 weekly reports, 0 manual labor. This is what I mean when I say AI infrastructure. Not tools, not subscriptions, actual systems that operate your business while you sleep without human labor. And the ROI is imperative. Now, here's where firms get this completely wrong. They install AI tools, but they never build the infrastructure around them. And even worse, they never train their team to operate it. So the tools just sit there unused, and they end up with the same results as before. Slow execution, inconsistent output, and no ROI to show for it. Technology alone doesn't create ROI. Trained operators running structured systems do. That's exactly why at Favor Studio, we don't just install the technology. We install the system, we build the workflows, and we train the internal team. And we leave the firm with internal SOPs so that any new hire can be trained and onboarded directly into the system. So the firm ends up owning the infrastructure permanently. When firms implement this correctly, here's what actually changes. They see 80% reduction in external production costs, 10 times faster execution, and campaigns that used to take 3 weeks now take hours. Now you have scalable and predictable output without adding headcount to payroll. Now you have real time performance data so leadership can confidently answer the ROI question every single quarter. And the system has the ability to update and iterate based on the performance data. So it actually grows as the firm scales. And every new hire gets trained on it. Every campaign gets optimized by it. And every single dollar spent on marketing becomes trackable and justifiable. So if your firm is still spending 6 figures annually on marketing and you're still outsourcing production or waiting on agencies, it's time to own the infrastructure instead of renting it. We offer private infrastructure audits where we come in to diagnose where your current budget is leaking and map the internal AI systems that replaces it. And from there, we show you what your cost structure would look like once implemented. Link in the description, fill out the application, and we'll take it from there. Other than that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.